Hello students, I, Assistant Professor Pooja Sharma, welcome you all on the behalf of gurukpo.com. In my previous video, I got some comments from you all of the students that you just want a pattern of UG exam that you would actually get whenever you are taking your exam. Okay, so today we are having this pattern. We shall discuss about the pattern of English literature main exam pattern, that is for undergraduate students. Okay, so you all know that if we go according to the pattern of Rajasthan University, so we would actually find that we are having two papers. The first paper is poetry and drama, and the second paper is prose and fiction. If you don't know about the time, it's 3 hours time containing, and the maximum marks is having 100. Okay, so both question papers, poetry and drama, prose and fiction, they're actually having the same pattern. They are having the same pattern. If we talk about the BA first year, I would say that you all will have 3 kind of questions in your exam. The first question, that will be actually based on reference to the context. You all know about explanation, that we are given the stanzas and the drama part. Okay, we are given the stanzas and drama part, and we actually have to explain the 4. There will be at least 8 questions in the paper, and you have to do the 4 question in all. Okay, so those 4 questions will be actually of 5 marks each, and in this way you will get 20 marks. Okay, so this particular question, the first question, will be having the 20 marks. Okay, so you have to do that. So we are also having them the same kind of pattern in BA first year in prose and fiction. Okay, you will also get reference to the context, explanation from prose and fiction part. Okay, so it can be from both part, the prose and fiction, and it can be from poetry and drama. You can get stanzas from here, you can get paragraphs from here. Okay, but if we talk about this BA second and third year, okay, so we are having a little bit difference in prose and fiction part. We will be having the short questions. We won't have the reference to the context in second and third year. Okay, so we will be having short questions that will be actually having 4 into 5 equal 20 marks. All right, the next question which we shall talk about, that is short question, that is mentioned in poetry and drama part. So the short questions, they will be at least 10 in your exam, and you have to do half of them, you have to do 5. All right, so those 5 questions will be of 4 marks each. So in this way you are having 5 into 4 equal 20. So this question will also contain the 20 marks. Okay, so 20 to 20 plus 40. And how will you do those questions? You will do those questions. You will have that kind of note. On these kind of question, you will have that kind of note that you have to do at least 5 question in all. Okay, and those 5 question will be done in 4 and 5 lines each. Okay, so in 4 and 5 lines each, you have to do those questions. The next pattern which we are actually following, that is long question. You all know that long questions are very much compulsory, and sometimes the student leave the question because of the less of the timing. Okay, so we don't need to leave any question. What you will actually have to do, you have to keep up with your pace. Okay, you have to keep with your speed. Now we shall talk about the third question. So third question will be having long question. In long question, you will have 3 sections: section A, section B, and section C. In section A, section B, and section C, you will have this kind of section from poetry and drama part. You will have 2 questions. You will have 2 questions that is having section A and section B from the poetry part, and the last section will be from drama part. Okay, so in this way, you can have section A, section B, section C, and you will have to do 3 questions in all. I want to tell you one thing about this, that you will be having the questions in OR. Okay, the question will be in OR. For example, in section A you will have 2 questions that you have to do at least one in both of them. In the second, the same thing will be repeated, and the third, then section C, the same thing will be repeated. All right, so these questions will be having 20 into 3 equal 60 marks. So in this way we are having the total, we are having the sum up of 100 marks. In this way you will get 100 marks. All right, now the same pattern is also following here in prose and fiction. You are having the long questions, and you have to do those long questions in the way like 20 into 3, 20 into 3. Okay, 20 into 1 this one, 20 into 1 this one, and 20 into 1 this one. So it will be having 60 marks. So guys, I find that this particular pattern, that is UG pattern and English literature main exam pattern, that is helpful for your exam. If you like my study material, so please like, comment and share and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpo.com and visit our website gurukpo.com. Thank you.